Hello, people. So again, I'm all dressed and ready. I'm about to go and pick up my child. So the thing is, there is this show on Netflix called Too Hot to Handle, and oh my God, what a show it is! Yeah, it's all about these whole singles who've been put up on this very exotic resort, and the only criteria is they are single, but they are not supposed to mingle. Mingle as in no, they're supposed to mingle, but not jingle, if you know what I mean. Like, yeah, so they're not to have any kind of whatever, let's say premarital sex or whatever on this show, because yeah, these days it's becoming so common, all of this. So really, I mean, when you watch that show, you realize just how, I mean, towards the end, they pick these three finalists, two men and one woman, and those three people were supposed to win $55,000. Now, these two men who had their partners, the women, like the ones who had to decide that which of these three would win that amount are the remaining contestants. Now, the two men who had their partners, both the women voted for their own respective partners, but the female contestant's partner, the man, chose to vote for another guy. It was like, it was very strange, yeah. So I mean, it's reflective of how the society is. I mean, a woman would stand by her man, but a man may not be there for his woman. So it's like a, my God, I found that very, like, light bulb moment. So do try and catch the show. Yeah, it's called Too Hot to Handle, and it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.